guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, it's my humble request, kindly subscribe my channel for more updates and videos. So what we will do in this video, we will learn how to solve the problem of Apache server that we face during Apache server. So let's get started. First we will go to our CentOS daemon and we will open our terminal. And now let me show you what problem you may seen during your Apache server. Systemctl start httpd. Here you can see it says that the httpd service is failed. Basically, the problem is caused due to the SELinux. It is not allowing Apache web server to start its service. So we will simple do a few steps to remove this problem. So the simple step is we will just write. So what we will do to remove this httpd, the best solution is to remove httpd and then install the httpd. Yum remove httpd. Make sure you must be logged in with root. If you don't know how to log in to your root, so simply write su switch user. So I already did it. So I am in root privilege, and now I will run the command yum remove httpd and simply hit the enter button. It takes a few seconds or few minutes to uninstall the httpd server or our Apache server. Don't worry about the data. Your data is already saved. Like if you have created a directory and URI var www and then HTML, I will. It is okay. Is this okay? I enter Y means yes. So now we will again install yum install httpd. In a few seconds it will be installed. Yes, I want to install. Here the installation is completed, and now we will write systemctl start httpd dot service. Enter, and now you can see if the command is run successfully. We will check either this httpd server is running or not. Simply we will write systemctl status httpd dot service. And here you can see our Apache server is in running state.